Alright guys, how's everybody doing? Eli here, and on today's video I want to talk about how the Dow futures jumped more than 100% in overnight trading after the blowout job reports. And I pretty much want to talk about, hey, what am I planning on doing as far as investing into the stock market? Am I buying? Am I going to be selling? Or am I going to be holding? All this and more, and we're starting now. Alright, so if this is your first time on this channel and you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave that thumbs up, and comment your thoughts down below, and make sure you guys check the description below for some awesome free resources. Alright, so let's go ahead and switch it over here. So it says the stock future climbed overnight trading on Sunday as investors cheered a strong bounce in the U.S. job growth last month amid an accelerating vaccine rollout. The future of the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped about 136 point. S&P 500 futures rose 0.4%, and the Nasdaq 100 futures ended up at 0.2% up. So this could be a start of something big. I don't know if a lot of people is gonna, the psyche of human beings are gonna start buying into the markets, causing the markets to go up. Hey, I'm not saying that it's going to be that way. Stocks can go down. Who knows? I'm just saying that based on the past, seeing good reports as far as the vaccine is rolling out, unemployment fell down. I think it was like, I forgot, let me see. I know it has it somewhere here. It fell to 6%. There you go. So with all that being said, what am I planning on doing? To be honest with you, I am a long-term investor, so I'm pretty much going to be stacking up on cash, especially with the month we just recently have, where we had a lot of weakness as far as the markets. People were afraid that a new strand of the virus coming back out, and they're feeling that the Feds are going to raise the interest rates again. Stocks been going down. The companies that I do own, I've been buying a lot more every time when they go down, and I know it's something about that decision where you're like, oh man, the markets are going down. I don't want to catch a falling knife, so I just keep buying in. The next day it goes down more, I'll buy a little bit more. So I did go a little bit low on cash, and right now I'll say I did rebounce on the cash position that I did have, because all last week I've been just piling money into my opportunity fund. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just, hey, I'm just going to be stacking up on cash, and if we see more weakness, I'm gonna start buying into the positions I do have. Last week I did rebalance some of my portfolio, moving some cash around in my portfolio. I pretty much don't show the positions I do have on here, but all my members, they have access on that. So if you guys want to see all the moves I've been making and everything I plan on making, you guys can see that. As far consider becoming a member, and you have access to that, and plus tons of exclusive content. But right now, all I'm doing is I'm stacking up on cash for future opportunities, future weakness. I'm not the type of person to see the market goes up and be like, oh man, everything's going up, let me start buying. It makes no sense. I don't want to buy high to sell low. I want to be able to buy low to sell high. And most of the positions I'm in, it's just the way I have to trick myself. There's times where I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh man, the markets are down, man. And then I have to come to myself and I'm like, hey, you know what? I believe the core fundamentals of the companies I do have, I do the research, the core fundamentals I do have, the companies do have, I still believe in these companies long term. Any positions I do have, I do plan on holding them within the next 5 to 10, maybe even more years. So I don't really care about any short-term decisions. I just plan on having it for the long term. That's what I care about. The long-term decisions, the long-term moves, not no short-term move. If the stock goes down 10 cents or $1 or $5 or even $10, I'm just going to keep buying, because I do have a high conviction on stock. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you guys always do your own research and don't just blindly follow somebody on YouTube. I'm just letting you guys know what I do, what I'm doing. I'm just putting it all out there. Comment your thoughts down below. But yes, I am going to be stacking up on a whole bunch more cash. Find any opportunities, whether it be in gold and silver, real estate, or even the stock market. And even crypto as well. Even crypto, even though last month I did allocate some cash towards crypto, and then it rebounds, and I actually sold some of those cash that I got it at a higher profit, so I can prop up the cash that I do have for more opportunities. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. I want to know what you guys doing. So make sure you guys comment down below. Make sure you guys take advantage. I think you guys get a free stock on Weevil, free stock on Public, free stock on Robinhood. All that is down there in the description. And also, of course, you guys are going to help support the channel too, because when you get a free stock, this channel get a free stock. So make sure you guys check down in the description below. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys enjoy the rest of your week and have a beautiful day.